Yo. You don't know what talk up boss in that place, isn't me? I know I want to big up all our viewers and subscribers, isn't me, if you support the thing. Yeah man, I appreciate the respect, you see it. Alright, so what I'm going to share with you guys is when I got the ATM machine Scotia Bank and the pack. You know when the ATM line long for you, so go down a craft market. You see me? I have to wait in a line for a long while. So this unstable man, Jamaica call him madman, you see me? Always the right side I want to look us light post and I sing, you see me? So he always did a sing. I go there about 2 times, 3 times and in the day I sing. Anyway, kinda take your mind off of the weight, you understand? The long waiting in the sun, your foot then tired and everything, you kinda take your mind off of it. What is a Scotia Bank? Sometimes I line long till you can't line no more and the madman the right there, so you see me? So what I say now? I always enjoy my sing still, you know, because I always sing some weird things, but I don't really weird things. You just sing from your heart, you see me, and you feel what I must say. You understand? So, no further ado, I like to share the man singing, you see me? And when I get him to sing, it's like, I see him and I say, boy, I just don't shoot and everything, so I say, watch out. I give him a little thing here, man, and make him run one song for me. So, guys, I'm gonna share this with you. I hope you guys enjoy it and like it. Yeah, man, I talk up boss in that place. Blessings.
Mommy, boom, bing, bang, bang, boom, bang, boom, bang, boom, bang, bang, bing, bang, bang, boom, wall-I, wall, will, dark and blue, bang, bing, bang, bang, boom, bang, bang, boom, bang, dark and blue. Mommy. God is blowing the woods alone, taking all my flowers away. Oh yeah, bring it to me. Hey, bring your season.
Where one of the bang bing bang? I don't want them like. Yeah, give me bang bing bang one.
Bang bang bing bang boom bang bang bing bang boom bang boom bang bang bing bang quing quack quick quack quick quack. When I say quack quick quack, pick quack.
All right.
Pick quack quack pick quack. Quack, big pop, big pop, big pop, quack, big pop, big pop, big pop, bang, diggy, boom, bang, yeah, you know, a little boy blue, come on blue, yeah, little boy blue,
Come jump that one, man.
Man, they saying washy, wash all your troubles
away.
All right. God, into the yes, no thing to do. I've got a roll as
Alright, my general, enough respect, you see? Alright, this is your subscriber, right? That you see me? Yeah, man, so rate the boss performance for me, you see me? Leave a comment how much out of 10 I give him, you see me? Yeah, blessings.